Hey, what's going on, YouTube? All right, today we're just going to get right to it. Today I'm going to go over a funnel that we are calling a super funnel because it has proven to have like amazing results, unheard of. I won't say unheard of, but really good results for affiliate marketers. And the platform we run it on is Builderall. I don't know if you guys have heard of Builderall, but it's a all-in-one platform. If you've watched any of my other videos, which I don't think anybody has because I'm still starting out and I don't have the subscribers. But yeah, it's an all-in-one platform that you can use to make websites, capture emails, all that good stuff. But this super funnel is it's pretty amazing the results that a lot of us are getting. And I'll just jump into. They have their own Facebook group here. It's called Traffic on Demand Masterminds for Earning Online. And I can't even remember how many people are in this group. 1.3K members, but not everybody is a part of this super funnel. They just come for the paid traffic. But to get to the super funnel part of it here, I'm just going to go over some of the. I mean, you can see his numbers here. This is one of our guys from Poland. You might not be able to see it, but he's got 60 subscribers on a 1 day or a $1 30-day trial right now with Builderall, just from running this funnel with targeted Google ads, is what Mark and AJ do. So what that means is they take this funnel with the opt-in page and they target people that are looking to get into affiliate marketing on Google, and they send this funnel, this opt-out to them, and they click on it, and they sign up for a $1 30-day trial for Builderall. But when you do sign up for that trial of Builderall, you'll come to a page where they'll offer you a supercharger kit, and that supercharger kit is the $17. It's $17, and that is the funnel with the opt-in page. They'll offer you that, and you can become a super affiliate for this funnel. And that means, and I think that is $197. And for $197, you will get commissions on anybody else that you get to sign up under this. And anytime they use your affiliate link, you will get the commissions from them if they're buying any of the upgrades, whether it's called Limitless Traffic. And I don't know if Chad Bartlett, he's the guy that puts it on. He's a super affiliate for Builderall. And I mean, the info in there is just, it's priceless, really. It's well worth $27. But anyway, I'm rambling. If you sign in as a super affiliate, you'll get those commissions. You'll get 50% of whatever anybody buys for this funnel. And they become a super affiliate. You'll get half of that $197 in commissions, and it'll go to Warrior Plus. And now I'll just show you here. This is my Warrior Plus account. I've only had 2 upgrades from people, but I've made $44.99 on upgrades from people that have signed up under me. So the idea with that is this back end money here that you get from the upgrades, you can turn this money around and put it back into advertising, your online advertising, whatever you want to do. If you just want to run your own ads, or if you want to pay Mark and AJ to run the targeted ads for you on Google. The first opt-in page was phenomenal. It was we were using this one here. Really good results, and these numbers are real. Mark and AJ, I saw those numbers on their Builderall accounts. But Mark and AJ were getting really good rates with this. But as you know, with your opt-in page, you always want to be optimizing it, trying to get it to get better percentage of opt-ins. And this one was, I think, just under 50% for me when I used it. And this one here got me almost 60% opt-in rates on 100 clicks. So 60 out of 100 clicks, I captured their emails, or they signed up for a Builderall $1 30-day trial. And somebody ran the upgrades, which you saw on my Warrior Plus commissions, and I got those commissions. Along with if they stay with Builderall, I'll get the commission on that as well. But it's pretty amazing. I can show you my this is mine right here. That is just from running Mark and AJ's funnel. Bought 100 clicks once, and then I bought, um, and I had such good results with it, I bought it again and ended up getting 27 leads, 4 active leads. And these active leads are all people that signed on for the $1 Builderall trial for 30 days, which is pretty awesome. But then the best part about it, I'll show you that here, my subscription list. Where is it? It's this one here. So I have 16 subscribers for $1 trial, but I have 237 people that opted into that sales funnel. So with these subscribers, now I can come back and send them, any affiliate marketer will tell you that their email list is worth their weight in gold, because you can always come back and market to them again. If they don't buy the first time, the average is it takes a person 7 to 10 times before they make a decision. 7 to 10 times seeing that actual email before they actually make a decision if they're going to buy or not. So yeah, so I can just go back and hit up 237 people with maybe a different offer, maybe throw in a bonus. If you sign on now, I'll give you an ebook on digital marketing online, something like that. For anybody that's getting started out and you have maybe a little bit of disposable income, I would highly recommend joining these guys. And I do have the link in my bio if you guys want to sign up. It is if you just want to do the $1 30-day trial with Builderall. But if you want to give this funnel a run, you're more than welcome to do it. And these guys know what they're doing. This is AJ. He's a great guy. You might have seen him on YouTube. He'll help you set it up. If you're brand new to the Builderall platform, he'll help you set it all up. And if you're anything like me, I'm not super tech savvy. So AJ, he got in my instant messages and he just talked me through it. It took maybe 45 minutes and I had this thing comes with the complete email sequence, 13 days of emails that those subscribers that I showed you, even though they didn't buy the product, they are in my email sequence right now. So over the next 13 days, they'll be getting emails reminding them, hey, you offer and you never did. So they'll just keep emailing them, sending them links. And as you can see on the list of 237 people, I only had 3 unsubscribe. And unsubscribers is not necessarily a bad thing, I've been told recently. And I tend to agree with them. At least I know people are getting the messages. People are seeing my emails. It's hitting them. So if there's ever any doubt in your email sequence, whether it's getting out to people or working, because if somebody unsubscribes, obviously they were getting it. And here are all the upgrades right here. The supercharger kit is the actual funnel. It's $17. So you're looking at a total of $18, and you could be rolling with this funnel. Limitless traffic. This is what I was talking about with Chad Bartlett. Does the courses on it. It's pretty extensive. It's well worth the $27. It's pretty much priceless. The information you'll learn, especially if you're new starting out, it'll help you tremendously. VIP chat support. That's you can just call AJ if you have any issues, any questions. It's $37 a month. I didn't do the $37 a month. I bought everything on here except this. AJ he's just a great guy, and he'll help you, and he'll encourage you. He's been doing this since, I think he said 2007. He's been doing affiliate marketing. If you guys are interested, and I guess you can do a strategy call with AJ. I don't remember this one. Maybe it's new for $97, and he'll help you set up your whole business. But like I said, he'll help you for nothing, and he'll help you set up your funnel. If you have any questions, set up your email sequence, and you guys will be on your way. And if you come all the way down, you can do it. Here's their done for you Google clicks. Like I said, this thing is converting really good. I can go back to Facebook and maybe show you guys a few more. So that's what he's looking at running this funnel. And I think he said that was 600 clicks. And I think it's $100 for $100 for 100 clicks. But the higher you go, it gets cheaper. So I think 600 clicks is like $498. A lot of that back and some. Not to mention his Warrior Plus commissions, which I don't think they might be right here. Yep, there they are. His Warrior Plus were 145.33. The reason mine are where they are here is because mine can't be released until the 2nd of February. So once Warrior Plus releases those to me, I will definitely put those back into this funnel. I'm just want to show you guys so you can see that these results are real. Breaking news. This is when they added the new opt-in that's getting 60% opt-in rates for me. This is another guy, Mike, 377. I don't know how many clicks he got. I think he did 200, but I'm not sure. But I mean, this just shows you people that actually signed on. Doesn't include the people that are on his list that he can now turn around and remarket to. You know, offer them something different. Offer them a lead magnet. You know, you can make connections with these people, make friendships with them, if you can get them to answer you back, which you'd be surprised a lot of people do. This is Mike again. Wow, $440, and here you can see his headline. 2 weeks in and already 7 signups. This funnel plus Mark's traffic works perfect. So these are all Builderall affiliates. You have to be a Builderall affiliate to use this funnel. It runs through their dashboard. So yeah, you guys, I mean, and this is Mark and this is AJ, and they're always here to help. So if you want to take the steps, jump into affiliate marketing. This is definitely a way to do it. And if you're just starting out and you want to fast track your business, I mean, just get your email list up there as fast as possible. I think I'm over 400. I have 400 people on my email list right now, and I've only been doing affiliate marketing for a month and a half. Statistics say that every person in your email list is worth $1 per month. So right now I have 400 something people on my subscribers lists, and realistically speaking, I should be able to get $1 out of every one of them. I have a monthly income right now just from my email list of 400 and some dollars. So yeah, if you guys want to give this a try, you know, there will be a link in my bio. Give it a shot, and I promise you won't be disappointed. This is a great opportunity for anybody starting out in affiliate marketing. The Builderall platform is easy as heck to use, very beginner friendly. Maybe check out some of my other videos. I got a couple up now. How I made my first sale online. I'm not sure which one will follow this video, but please subscribe and like. All right, thanks guys.